Welcome to this demonstration on determining the melting point of a paracetamol tablet. Today, we will unbox the melting point apparatus, set it up, and observe the melting point of paracetamol. Enjoy watching! As you can see, the box contains the melting point apparatus and capillary tubes for sample preparation. Ensure all components are present and intact before starting. Before we begin, ensure the apparatus is placed on a stable surface and plugged into a power source. Next, let's prepare the sample. Triturate 2 paracetamol tablets using the mortar and pestle. Take 2 capillary tubes from their container to ensure the validity of results. Then, take a small amount of paracetamol powder, fill a capillary tube by tapping the open end into the powder, and pack it tightly using gentle taps. Now, let's set the temperature range on the melting point apparatus. Begin by setting the starting temperature slightly below, around 160 degrees Celsius, to allow for a gradual increase. Insert the loaded capillary tube into the designated slot of the apparatus. Gradually increase the temperature and observe closely through the magnifying lens or viewing window. The melting point of paracetamol is approximately 169 to 171 degrees Celsius, consistent with the standard melting point range for pure paracetamol. This indicates the quality and purity of the sample. And as the temperature rises, you will notice the sample starting to soften and eventually melt completely. Record the temperature at which melting begins and when the sample is fully liquefied. This range is the melting point of paracetamol, and the observed melting point of our paracetamol sample is between 169 and 171 degrees Celsius. After determining the melting point, don't forget to clean the apparatus and properly dispose of the used sample. Thank you for joining us in this demonstration of determining the melting point of paracetamol.